Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these two different styles of Kirigami greeting card with the paper quilling decoration. So inside the card you can write any message, and this is the paper cutting style or paper cutting art which we do using paper cutter. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need some 3mm strips, scissor, half cut pearl, quilling tool, paper cutter or paper knife, liquid glue, some cardstocks and pattern paper. So I'm starting with my first card. For this I'm taking this blue color sheet which is having 200 GSM thickness, and this measures 24 by 15 centimeters. I have just divided it from the center, and on this part I have created the pattern. This pattern I have given in description box, you can download from there. Now I will start cutting the portion on which I have created dots. Do it very carefully because the knife is very sharp and this is very precise cutting, so you need to be very patient and careful. So this is done. In the same way I will cut rest of the portion. So the cutting part is ready. Isn't it looking very nice? Now I am just folding my card from the center. So the base card is ready. Now I will decorate it. To decorate it, I am first attaching some pattern papers from outer side and from inner side. Now I am starting with some quilling decoration. For first flower petal I am taking half strip of pink color and making one bended leaf shape. In the same way I have created one more already. Now I am taking half strip of off-white color and making one leaf shape. Now I will join 3 petals together and wrap this whole petal using pink color strip. Now I'm joining all 5 petals and for the center I am using half cut pearl. So this is done. Now for the next flower I am taking one strip of off-white and 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight leaf shape. Now I am joining 4 petals, and for the center again I am using half cut pearl. So this is also done. Also I have created some scrolls using light green and sap green combination. Now I am taking paper doily and decorating my card. I am also adding some leaves and the sentiment sending hugs. So my first card is ready. Now I am proceeding to the second one. For this I am taking this base which is 12 by 15 centimeters, and I have created the pattern on the right side of the card. This pattern I have also given in description box for your convenience. Now I will start cutting these petals using my X-Acto knife or paper cutter. So the pattern is done. Isn't it looking very attractive? In this way you can create your own patterns. Now to decorate this card, I will start with my first flower. For this I am taking half strip of purple and 1/4 strip of sap blue color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Now I am joining total 7 petals, and in the center I will add half cut pearl. So the flower is ready. In the same way, I have created 2 more flowers using half strip of light purple and 1/4 strip of light blue. Now I will show you how to create leaf. For this I am taking sap green color strip. First make 5 loops in increasing order like this. And now make 2 loops on left and right sides. Now wrap this whole petal using remaining strip and cut excess. Secure the end and leaf is ready. It's easy. Also I have created some scrolls. Now I'm taking the base card which measures 26 by 16 centimeters. I'm folding this from the center. Now I'm taking my Kirigami cutting base. On the back side of this I have added double-sided foam tape to give little height and to give a 3-dimensional look. So I am peeling off the liner and connecting with my card base. Now I am adding some pattern papers and decorating my card. So second card is also ready. I have added some sequences to give little shine on both the cards. So the beautiful Kirigami cards are ready. I am sure you will try this very soon. You can write any message inside the card. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.